to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I want to show you, it's kind of an idea I've had for a while. You know, my powder room is kind of like, you know, it was gray and white, kind of just plain, had some pretty little artwork on it, but I just wanted to give it some impact. But I didn't want to spend a bunch of money or, you know, go with wallpaper that I might not like. And I just wanted to try out kind of a moodier kind of look, but I wasn't sure how much I would love it. So I came up with this idea and I wanted to share it with you guys because it is such a great way to elevate a room and make the changes and give it a different look, but also you don't have to be stuck with it because it's easily to take down, renter friendly, budget friendly, with big impact, and something you can do in any kind of room. And you know, like a kid's room, like maybe you're doing a nursery and you want to give it this kind of look, but then you don't want to spend a bunch of money because you know in 3 years, you know, maybe you're going to be doing something else, you know, with whatever their interests are. So it's just kind of one of those things that you can kind of take a look and figure out on high impact, but not spending a lot of money. And it can be taken down if you're moving, if you're renting. You don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, did I ruin the walls, anything like that. Or, you know, to the effort of painting and all that kind of stuff. So I'm excited to share with you my little refresh for my powder room, and hope you get some great ideas with it. So let's take a look what it looked like, and then I'll show you what I did. This is how it looks. And I wanted to just kind of showcase what I did. So this is the same. I didn't do any painting. I didn't do any different, you know, like my wainscoting, all the same. These are just vinyl stickers that I purchased off of Amazon, and they're renter friendly. You know, there's kids, there's adults. It just gives an elevated change to this bathroom. Gives it a little bit of a moodier kind of look, which is kind of what I was going for. And it just, you know, it was something so simple that I could just, you know, figure out. And you know what? There's some areas that I might change up a little bit, which is okay because they are stickers, you know, they're vinyl stickers. And, you know, maybe I'm not exactly loving some of the placement or something, but I can change that. I will have them linked down in my description, but then these are just like clearance pictures from Target and Hobby Lobby. And I just love the look with the purple, and it's, you know, this is an area that I thought I could totally use this in and do because it's a small bathroom. It's light on the background, you know what I mean? Like it's all light and bright, and I could bring in some moodiness, and I just love it. That is the only new artwork I got, and like I said, it was all clearance, so very inexpensive. And Then the stickers I will have linked, but they were not expensive. And again, you could use this in an apartment or just a rental in general. And then everything else, like I already had this print, but I moved it over here. I had all this vignette, but I just moved things around. I'm not 100% sold on this, but you know what? I'll look around and, you know, see if something comes across to me, and then I will, you know, I can pick it up. I already had this from years ago, and I love the purple with everything. But it just gives a completely different look. I love how the flowers are like coming out of like the shower. And then, you know, I kept my mirror. This one I'm not so sure, but you know what? I'm just gonna live with it. But my thought was to keep it hidden kind of like behind the mirror. But I already had all that. I had this artwork. This is all the same, but the floral just kind of, you know, came around to this side. And then I put this lamp here. I already had it. And I've just been holding on to it. I had this plant. I'm not sure. I don't love the way this cord is looking, you know what I mean? But I'll, you know, I can look at that and see what I can do there. But, you know, just brought in a new towel. That was already there. This is our exit out to the pool. This was behind the door, but like nobody sees it. So I just kind of put it on the door, you know, on non-holiday times. Usually I have like a holiday wreath or something there. But I'm just loving the look. I just really think it made a dramatic, you know, change to a very white, oh my gosh, these dogs. Kept my rug. If I see something that's a good price, that's got some, you know, purples and blues and stuff, I might, but you know, I think this goes. It's darker and moody. You know, all the necessities and stuff of the bathroom, but just elevated. And I just love this little gallery wall and the flowers. You know, little things like this, it doesn't have to spend or cost you like an arm and a leg to, you know, decorate a space. You can do things on a budget, and it's just, you know, a high impact. And that's exactly what this is. It is a high impact statement, you know, that just really makes a huge difference. And it can be whatever you want it to be. It could be, you know, cartoon characters in a kid's bathroom, or if you're into it, or whatever. I just think that it's just, for me, it was bold, but it's soft, and it's whimsical, and it's feminine, but then it's moody. And I just couldn't be more pleased. And I just think it was a fun little experiment to, you know, get some of these products and just have fun and do it on a budget and have high impact. So what do you guys think? It's pretty dramatic, isn't it? And you know, I just love how, you know, it was a nice, simple little powder room. You know, it had some nice little artwork, you know, and it served its purpose, right? It was fine, but what an elevation, you know, just adding those things, what an elevation it brought that space. And so I'm just super excited about it. I'm excited if you guys got some ideas. And I would love for you to share, like in the comments, if you try this. Gosh, I'm really happy with it, and I'm really excited to give you guys some of these little ideas and show you. You know, you might have heard somebody talk about it or think about it or whatever, but then actually seeing it in fruition, you know what I mean? I think it just makes a big difference, and it shows you how simple it can be. And you know, like I mentioned, I might move some things, some pieces around a little bit, you know, but that's the joy of it. It's removable, changeable, all those different things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know there's been a little bit of a gap in videos, but I just hope you enjoyed it. I want to always bring you guys something that I really feel like you guys could use, enjoy, and get some great ideas on. So thank you. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching, and I hope you got some good ideas. I want to hear about them if you do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.